Hello everyone, I'm Sohardi Amir from Quizizz Indonesia. Did you know that we can create questions by utilizing the AI features offered by Quizizz? To use Quizizz AI, please go to the Quizizz AI button in this section. On this page, there are several ways to create questions. Extract question from worksheet or question banks, create question from documents, generate question from YouTube videos, create question from website or online articles, and you can also create question based on topics, prompts, and excerpts. Let's start with extracting question from worksheet or question banks. In this section, you only need to drag and drop the worksheet, which you can upload from Google Drive or import from your drive. The acceptable file formats are PDF, PPT, PPTX, DOC, DOCX, PNG, GPG, or Canva KTI.zip with a maximum size of 25 MB and no more than 30 pages. Once the file is successfully uploaded, please select the upload language, the number of questions, the subject, and the grade. Then click on Generate AI. In the Quizizz AI action section, you can add similar questions, add answer explanations, translate quizzes, and you can also bulk edit time and points here. Additionally, you can automatically convert existing questions into various other formats. You can also fix grammatical errors and replace them with a similar question. If you agree with the provided questions, you can click Apply Changes. If not, you can click Generate again. This section also allows you to convert to real-world scenarios. If you want to use the provided questions, please click Apply Changes. You can also translate your questions into several available languages. Once everything is complete and there is nothing else to adjust, please click Publish. Then choose whether to make it a worksheet, homework, or play it directly in class. For detailed explanation about how to conduct quizzes in class, please refer to several previous videos. In addition to creating questions from existing documents, Quizizz also allows you to create questions from YouTube videos. To do this, simply click this button, paste the link in the search box, or use the Browse YouTube button and type in the topic you want. Once the video appears, select one and click Insert. The video will automatically be transferred into an interactive video. Next, in Quizizz, you can also create questions from online articles or websites. Please paste in the desired number of questions, select the number of questions you want, choose the relevant subject and grade, then click Generate Quiz. Just like before, you can add several actions using Quizizz AI. To save the question you have entered, please click Publish or press Ctrl+S. You can also create questions based on topics, prompts, or excerpts. Enter the quiz topic or paste content to generate using AI. Then specify number of questions to be generated. For example, 5 questions, and determine the relevant subject and grade. Click Continue, and then to be more specific, please specify the relevant subject we'll be testing. Then click Generate Quiz. Next, click Continue to Editor, adjust as desired, and click Publish. In addition to creating questions, Quizizz AI can also be utilized for planning, question and assessments, communication, and accommodations. Let's try some interesting features. Lesson plan. It turned out that in Quizizz, teacher can easily create lesson plans. All you need to do is add any topic, standard, text, or description of the assignment to generate question with AI. Select the grade, choose the subject, specify the output language to be used, and provide additional instructions. Then click Generate. You can also export the lesson plan as a PDF or as a document in a Microsoft Word. While creating lesson plans in Quizizz AI, you can also create taxonomy Bloom level question by simply adding any topic, standard, text, or description of the assignment to generate question with AI. Add the grade, subject, output language, number of question, and lastly, don't forget to select Bloom's level. After that, click Generate. The result of generation can be directly exported into a quiz in Quizizz automatically. The next feature I would like to share in this time is reading passage questions. Just enter a topic or text, then specify the passage for which class, the subject, the output language, and the number of questions. After that, please click Generate. The result can be downloaded as a PDF, document, and also exported directly to Quizizz. That's all the explanation about Quizizz AI. Interesting, isn't it? So, create your Quizizz account right now.